Madam, the Places of Worship Act 1991 Act imposes a non-derogable obligation towards enforcing a commitment to secularism under the Indian Constitution. The law is hence a legislative instrument designed to protect the secular features of the Indian Constitution, which is one of the basic features of the Constitution. Non-retrogression is the foundational feature of the fundamental constitutional principles of which secularism is a core component. The Places of Worship Act is thus a legislative intervention which preserves non-retrogression as an essential feature of our secular values. Historical wrongs cannot be remedied by people taking the law in their own hands. In preserving the character of the Places of Worship Act, Parliament has mandated in no uncertain terms that history and its wrongs shall not be used as instruments to oppress the present and future. Madam, this was said in the 7-judge constitutional bench in the judgment of Babri Masjid Ram Mandir. I demand from the government that to execute the laws made by Parliament, its non-enforcement is a violation of Parliament sovereignty. Madams, 12 egregious cases have been filed against masjid and dargahs to convert or change their character, which includes Baba Budangi Dargah in Karnataka, Biju Mandil Masjid in Vidisha, Madhya Pradesh, Baduddin Shah Dargah in Bagpat. The Modi government must give a clear answer as to its commitment to implement and defending laws made by Parliament. The Modi government must file a reply in Supreme Court defending the law in the interest of a country and to uphold the Parliament's sovereignty. Madam, I demand that this government does not take this country back to the era of 18 and 90s, which was a very dark period in the history of our country. कहीं ऐसा ना हो मैडम कि लम्हों ने खता की सदियों ने सजा पाई। मैं हुकूमत से इस बात का मुतालबा करता हूं कि ऐसी तंजीमों की हरगिज सियासी तौर पर सरपरस्ती ना करें